everyone, today we are back with another video. We just bring the eyewear video recorder. It's sunglasses with a video recording camera inside. It comes in two different models, 720p and 1080p, as it's mentioned on the box. Right now we have only 720p model with us, and this one have a memory card slot which can support 32GB, polarized lens, full HD quality like HD 720p and 1080p, 30 frames per second, and once you charge it can record up to 1.5 hour recording. So let's do the unboxing of this one. So this comes with this kind of pouch, manual, cloth, micro USB cable, and the sunglasses. So this is the sunglasses with the camera. I will show you the features of this one. Here it's a power button. If you press the power button, you will see the LED indicator also here. There is a camera which will start recording. The microphone is here of this one. The micro USB cable for the charging, and this is the most important thing, the manual. Just read the manual carefully. As you guys can see, the operations are mentioned here also. Memory card slot, camera, and comes with the mic, function button, indicator, reset, and USB port. So this camera is a little bit tricky, so if you will read this description properly, you know how to operate this one, because this comes with the memory card. The memory card slot is not included in this, so we will just insert the memory card in this one first. It's also a little bit tricky. We'll just do this one like this. This is a 16GB memory card. We will just insert here. Now that I have a 16GB memory card, so you can easily record. Now how you will record: first press this button for one time. You will see the blue light and red light. Now this is on a standby mode, so if you want to record this one, if you want to record the video, just press this one for a while. The red light will flash and then just leave. Now it's just start recording. Okay, so whatever you want to record, you can record simply, and then just connect with this micro USB cable with your PC and you can transfer the data. If you want to stop the recording now, just press this one for a while. You will see blue light and red light, and one more time it will flash and it's just stop the recording. The quality and build material of this sunglasses with the camera is quite good, and you can easily wear outside. If you want to record something, nobody will notice that you are recording from this sunglasses. This is just like a normal ordinary sunglasses. Nobody will notice because the indicator is inside, so nobody will notice that light, and the indicator will automatically turn off once you will start recording. It will just flash for 2 seconds and then it turn off, so nobody will notice that you are recording something. You can record up to 1.5 hours as it's mentioned on the box. Once you charge, you can simply record this one 1.5 hours. So let's connect this one with the PC and see the result of the camera. So we just connect the sunglasses with the PC. So once you connect with the PC, it will detect the USB drive, and once you select this USB drive, you can open. You will see the different folders. Now there is a video recording folder, and this is the video. Let's turn on the video. Hey guys, if you like the video of this sunglasses with a video recording camera, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to buy this product, the link is inside the description, and subscribe for the more videos. Thank you.